Hi guys. Anyway, I'm having to do this on my old iPhone. Um, I'm glad that it still works. Anyway, for right now, my camera keeps freezing and I'm trying to figure out why. I don't know why. Um, you can get so far, maybe 10 minutes into the video or maybe even 3 minutes into the video, and then it starts to freeze and then I have to redo the video. It's not mine originally. Me and Ethan bought the camera, but anyway, um, I'm having to redo this video. I'm gonna tell you what originally the video was about. My dog was sick, and so, he's feeling a little bit better now. He's resting, and he was having a little tummy ache, and, he couldn't eat normally like he was, he was having diarrhea the other night, not before last, and he tried telling me, he was growling at me, but I was having, let's just say I had to go to the bathroom myself. I didn't really want to put it out there, but that's what I had to do. Anyway, also I went and when we went to the grocery store, I got overnight oats and I tried it, and now I like oatmeal. I never really tried, I never really liked oatmeal, but I do like it now. I tried the cinnamon one this morning and I put a little bit too much water, and I had but I did like it this morning. I think it's my favorite one so far. But anyway, yeah. And I'm gonna be doing a makeup routine pretty soon. I still do my stories every now and then. I have said far back, probably a couple months back, I'll do Harry Potter fan fiction on my other channel. And anyway, I have my pajamas on. These are from Victoria's Secret. I got them about a year or so ago, and they are quite comfy. They go all the way down. I even have the bottoms on. They go all the way down to my feet. Anyway, but my dog is feeling a little better. He's napping right now. I just had me a ham sandwich. I will put lettuce and mayo on that. And if you're wondering how I'm doing since I last updated, when I told you my grandfather passed away, I'm doing alright. It's just, touch and go. I still miss him, of course. Sorry if this is a little shaky. And I will always miss him. It did hit me really hard. But as time passes, I know it will be less hard. But I'm gonna try. I'm still gonna do Vlogmas. But anyway, this is mainly about how my dog's feeling. I gave him a treat because he was feeling better, and I'm about to close out this video, but It's getting cold here again. It rained last night really hard, and I didn't get to watch the end of my show. I was watching The Young Doctor, I think it was, and I didn't get to watch. I only got to, the TV kept going in and out. But anyway, I will see y'all in the next vlog, and bye. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Alright, bye guys. Bye.